Here are reasons to iPhone gets heated while charging problem. 1. iPhone charger doesn't work properly. 2. Improper usage. 3. Effects of the external environment. 4. iPhone software problems. 5. Too many applications are running in its background. 6. Hardware problems. Here we list the best solutions to your problem of iPhone overheating when charging. Fix 1. Remove the phone case. You first need to cool down the device by removing its cover if there is one. Fix 2. Check your cables. Confirm that your charger cable is in good condition. Fix 3. Keep CPU activities at a minimum. To fix this problem, you need to ensure you don't run too many applications simultaneously. Fix 4. Check for possible external factors. Ensure your iPhone is free from excessive direct sunlight by placing it in a moderately cool place. Fix 5. Remove a crashing app. If you notice that your iPhone has overheated, crashed, or slowed down after installing a certain application, you must identify this app and remove it. If you do not know which application is causing your problem, open your settings under the Privacy menu, select Analytics and then Analytics Data. Here, you will find the application that is making your phone crash. Next, return to the home page and remove it. Fix 6. Disable background app refresh. Step 1. Open your settings, then choose General. Step 2. Tap on background refresh. Now you can switch it off. Fix 7. Disable airplane mode. Step 1. Open your settings. Step 2. Select the airplane mode option and switch it on. Fix 8. Update iPhone and apps. Updating your apps and the iPhone firmware can help solve the issue of your phone overheating when charging. Step 1. Open your settings. Step 2. Select General and then tap on Software Update. Step 3. You can now check whether there are new updates. If yes, select Download and Install. Fix 9. Use low power mode. Enabling low power modes will help fix your iPhone heating up when charging issue. Step 1. Open your settings and select Battery. Step 2. Switch on the low power battery mode. Fix 10. Turn on auto brightness. If the iPhone's brightness becomes too high, the battery can be affected, leading to overheating of your device when charging. Step 1. Open your settings, scroll through, and select Accessibility. Step 2. Tap on Display Text Size, and you will see the Auto Brightness tab. Just switch it on. Fix 11. Reset all settings. Resetting the iPhone settings isn't ideal, but you can try it if all the other solutions have failed. Step 1. Open your settings and select General. Step 2. Scroll through until you find the Reset option. You will now see the Reset all settings option. Click on it to begin the process.